Hi, in this video I will show you how to use LINKo7 Level Manager to manage all levels operations in the project file without even touching the screen. You don't have to touch the screen to do any operations on level. So you go to this button here under level. So this dialog comes up and it shows you the current levels you have in the project files. So, depending on the template you're using, Revit creates default levels that you can start with, and you can add or modify or remove. This happens on the screen. This level manager allows you to do all the operations without dealing with the screen. It's a lot easier and faster. So let's say you want to add more levels or change the elevations of levels or rename levels or delete levels. So let's say I want to delete the roof. So I have the delete options here. Okay, I can rename it, rename the level name, or maybe give it a different elevation, maybe 7. I hit apply and it will update it automatically. I can add more levels, so I have a list of up to 120, so 119 plus the existing level 1, so up to 120. Let's say I want to add 10 levels, and by default, you can specify the typical height of each level, top of floor height. Let's say this is 12 feet. So now I can add these 10 on top of whatever I select here. Typically, that will be the last one in the list or the highest elevation, current elevations. Create new. It asks you sure, yes. So you can see here it created the levels 1, 3, 2. So sometimes the numbering is not what you're looking for. So there's another command called Renumber. So you start with the first one, or maybe this is level 1. You can rename this like maybe first floor or ground floor. Apply. So now this is ground floor, and maybe you can start renumbering. So with the shift button, you highlight the first one, and holding the shift button, highlight the last one, and say renumber. So it asks you the first one. So I have ground floor, so maybe first floor, like 1. So it will start with 1. So now it's renumbered, and you can see it's instantly updating Revit here. You can export this to AutoCAD when we start doing modeling. We'll see that in a different video. Here you can again, if one of the floors or levels have a different height, you can highlight it and you can change the elevation here as we've seen before. So as you can see, you can pretty much do most of, not all, the operations on levels in Revit through this tool here that LINKo7 provides you without touching the screen. And you can add 100 levels instantly and rename it and do a lot of work that you will have to spend a lot of time doing it if you have to do it the actual Revit way. So this is the level manager of LINKo7, and thanks for watching.